Hey, it's DJ from Pro Action here. I want to take a minute and introduce to you the brandest, newest, most updated fork kit from Pro Action. As always, we double your spring rate. Keeps the front end from diving, helps with bottoming, makes it a little nicer, a little smoother through the stroke, but the real magic comes in the new damper rod. We still have the holes in the bottom, smaller hole in the top as that fork's pushing down, pushing through those smaller holes, give you a little more resistance, a little more progressive feel. Once we cover up that bottom hole, we leave a little bit for like a bottoming cone there, so give you a little bit of a hydraulic cushion at the bottom. The big thing that we did is we eliminated the top hole. For those of you guys used to seeing that top hole, it is gone. What we did is we put some external grooves. You can kind of see the grooves in the rod itself. This is a sweet spot. So when you're riding down the road, these grooves are taking place of that top hole. So we're bleeding off here real nice. You're floating down the road real nice. We have that external blow by, helps pick everything up, makes it a nice soft ride. Once we pass those holes, now we're working off the bottom part of the rod, and it gets progressively stiffer as you go. $350 for this fork kit. I will put this up against any cartridge for $1,200 or less in that area. Get a damper rod. Don't worry about the cartridge kit, the harshness. This will get you through.